The Haka. Just the word evokes a sense of power and awe. It is a dance that commands attention and respect. It is a sight to behold, a mesmerizing display of strength and unity. Imagine a group of people moving in perfect unison, their movements synchronized to the beat of their hearts. Their eyes are wide with intensity, burning with a fierce determination. They stomp their feet and slap their chests with a rhythm that echoes through the air. They stick out their tongues, a gesture that is both intimidating and powerful. This is the Haka, a traditional Maori war dance from New Zealand, steeped in history and tradition. The Haka is more than just a dance. It is a ritual, a ceremony, a way of life. It is a powerful expression of cultural identity, a way to showcase pride and heritage. It is a way for Maori people to connect with their ancestors, to honor their past. It is a way to tell stories and share emotions, to communicate without words. When performed, the Haka is a display of strength, courage and unity, a testament to the resilience of the Maori people. The Haka is full of symbolism, each movement and gesture carrying a deeper meaning. The movements are not random, they are deliberate and purposeful. Each gesture and expression has a deep meaning, a story to tell. The foot stamping represents the connection to the earth, grounding the performers. The hand gestures tell a story, each movement a word in the language of the dance. The facial expressions convey emotions like challenge, anger, or joy, adding depth to the performance. The Haka is a powerful and moving experience, one that leaves a lasting impression. It is a reminder of the rich culture and history of the Maori people, a living tradition. It is a dance that continues to inspire and amaze people all over the world, a testament to its enduring power and beauty. The origins of the Haka are deeply rooted in Maori mythology, a rich tapestry of stories and legends passed down through generations. Legends tell of the powerful sun god Tamanui Tara, who ruled the skies with his radiant presence. He had two wives, Hainromati, the summer maiden who brought warmth and growth, and Hinetakurua, the winter maiden who brought the chill and rest of winter. One day, as Tamanui Tara gazed upon the earth, he noticed a peculiar tremor in the air, a shimmering that caught his divine attention. This was the dance of his son, Taneroa, born to Hinromati. Taneroa's movements were so graceful and quick that they caused the air to quiver. The dance of Taneroa, with its mesmerizing rhythm and energy, was the very first Haka, a dance that would become legendary. It was a celebration of life, the vitality of the summer sun, and the connection between the divine and the natural world. This story beautifully illustrates the spiritual connection of the Haka to the natural world and the divine, a bond that is deeply revered in Maori culture. Historically, Maori warriors performed the Haka before battles, their fierce expressions and powerful movements creating an awe-inspiring sight. It was a way to intimidate their enemies, showcasing their strength and unity. It was also a way to prepare themselves mentally and spiritually for the challenges of combat, invoking the support of their ancestors. The Haka was a powerful display of strength, ferocity, and the indomitable spirit of the Maori warriors. It served as a reminder of the warriors' courage, their connection to their ancestors, and the legacy they carried forward. Over time, the Haka evolved, adapting to the changing times and needs of the Maori people. It became more than just a war dance. It transformed into a cultural expression used in various contexts. It became an integral part of Maori culture, a symbol of identity and pride. It was performed at important events like births, deaths, and weddings, marking significant moments in life. It was, and still is, a way to express a wide range of emotions, from the deepest grief to the highest joy, uniting people in shared experiences. There are many different types of Haka, each with its own unique characteristics and significance. Each type has its own unique purpose and movements, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the Maori people. Some Haka are performed by men, some by women, and some by both. This diversity showcases the inclusivity and adaptability of the Haka tradition. The words, movements, and emotions conveyed vary depending on the occasion and the message being conveyed. Each performance is a powerful expression of identity and community. One well-known type of Haka is the Purupuru, which is deeply rooted in the warrior traditions of the Maori. This is a war Haka characterized by its intense and aggressive nature. It is full of aggressive movements and fierce facial expressions designed to intimidate opponents and boost the morale of the warriors. The Paru was traditionally performed before battle to intimidate the enemy and invoke courage in the warriors. It was a crucial part of the pre-battle rituals. Another type of haka is the ngeri, which serves a different purpose altogether. This is a storytelling haka, using movements and expressions to narrate stories or convey messages. It uses movements and expressions to tell a story or convey a message, often reflecting important cultural values and historical events. The ngeri is often used to share history, legends, or important cultural values, making it a vital part of Maori cultural education. In modern times, a new type of haka has emerged, the kapa haka, which blends traditional and contemporary elements. This is a performance haka often seen at cultural festivals and competitions. It combines traditional movements with modern elements, creating a dynamic and engaging performance. Kapa haka groups compete in competitions and perform at cultural events, showcasing the evolving nature of haka in contemporary Maori culture. Today, the haka is more than just a traditional dance. It is a symbol of New Zealand's Maori heritage. It is a source of pride for the Maori people. It is a powerful reminder of their history, culture, and identity. The haka continues to evolve in the 21st century. It has transcended its traditional boundaries and is now performed in various contexts. It is a testament to the adaptability of Maori culture and its ability to remain relevant in a changing world. While the haka is deeply rooted in tradition, it is not static. Maori people continue to create new haka and adapt old ones. This ensures that the haka remains a living, breathing part of their culture. It reflects the dynamism of Maori identity and their ability to honor their past while embracing the present. Section 5. The All Blacks taking haka to the world. Perhaps the most famous performers of the haka are the New Zealand All Blacks rugby team. Before every international rugby match, the All Blacks perform a haka to challenge their opponents. The All Blacks haka is a powerful sight. It is a display of unity, strength, and pride. It has become a symbol of New Zealand's sporting spirit. It is a testament to the enduring legacy of the haka and its ability to transcend cultural boundaries. The All Blacks' use of the haka has brought it to a global audience. Millions of people around the world have seen the haka performed on television. This has helped to raise awareness of Maori culture. It has also sparked curiosity and admiration for this powerful and moving tradition. In Section 6, Beyond the Rugby Field, Haka in Maori Life. The haka is not just for warriors or rugby players, it is still an integral part of Maori life. It is performed at a variety of events, both significant and everyday. At weddings, the haka is performed to celebrate the union of two families. At funerals, it is performed to honor the deceased and guide their spirit to the afterlife. The haka is a powerful expression of grief, but also a celebration of life and legacy. The haka is also used as a form of protest. Maori people have used the haka to express their dissatisfaction with government policies or to assert their rights. In these contexts, the haka becomes a powerful tool for social commentary and a call for justice. Section 7. Respecting the spirit of haka. It is important to remember that the haka is not just a performance. It is a sacred part of Maori culture. It is essential to treat it with respect. When watching a haka, it is important to be respectful. Avoid talking or laughing. Pay attention to the performers and the message they are trying to convey. The haka is an offering of respect and should be received as such. It is also important to understand the meaning behind the haka. The movements, expressions, and words all have deep cultural significance. Take the time to learn about the history and meaning of the haka. This will help you to appreciate its power and beauty. Section 8. A legacy of pride and identity. The haka is more than just a dance. It is a living embodiment of Maori culture. It is a powerful expression of their history, values, and beliefs. It is a symbol of their strength, resilience, and pride. The haka is a reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage. It is a testament to the power of tradition to connect people to their past and inspire them in the present. The haka is a gift from the Maori people to the world. The haka continues to evolve and adapt to the changing times. Yet its essence remains the same. It is a powerful expression of what it means to be Maori. It is a celebration of their identity, their heritage, and their enduring spirits. Section 9, Conclusion. Haka, a dance for the ages. The haka is a dance that has echoed through centuries, from the mythical origins of Tanaraua's dance to the electrifying performances of the All Blacks. The haka continues to captivate and inspire. It is a dance of passion, power, and profound cultural significance. More than just stomps and chants, the haka embodies the very soul of the Maori people. It is a bridge connecting their past to their present, their ancestors to their descendants. It is a testament to the enduring strength of culture and tradition in a rapidly changing world. As the haka continues to evolve, one thing remains certain. It will forever hold a place of honor in the heart of Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. The haka is a dance for the ages, a powerful reminder of the indomitable spirit of the Maori people.
Hit like and subscribe for more cool facts.